The Ant and the Grasshopper. One bright summer day, under the warm sun, a happy grasshopper was hopping around in a large open field with grass. He sang a happy song, enjoying the soft breeze and the beauty of nature. Nearby, he saw a line of ants working hard. They were carrying grains of food, one by one, back to their nest. The grasshopper laughed and hopped closer. "Why are you working so hard on such a beautiful day?" he asked. "Come and enjoy the sun. Sing with me." The ants stopped for a moment, and one of them replied, "We're collecting food for the winter. When the cold comes, there will be no food, so we have to prepare now." The grasshopper laughed. "Winter, that's so far away. There's plenty of time for that later. Right now, we should enjoy ourselves." The ants didn't argue. They simply returned to their work, moving steadily under the summer sun. The grasshopper, carefree and happy, continued to play, sing, and relax all summer long. He never once thought about the future or preparing for the colder days ahead. As time passed, the bright green grass turned brown, and the warm breeze became a chilly wind. Winter arrived, and the meadow was covered in frost and snow. The grasshopper shivered in the cold, his stomach rumbling. He searched everywhere for food, but there was none to be found. The trees were bare, and the ground was frozen. Hungry and cold, the grasshopper remembered the hard-working ants. He made his way to their nest, hoping they might share some food. When he knocked on the door of the ants' nest, the leader of the ants came out. The grasshopper pleaded, "Please, dear ants, I am so hungry and cold. Can you share some food to help me?" The ant looked at the grasshopper with sympathy, but also a touch of sadness. "Grasshopper, all summer long, we worked hard while you played and sang. We told you to prepare for the winter, but you didn't listen." The grasshopper hung his head in shame. He realized his mistake and wished he had worked as hard as the ants. Although the ants didn't have much to spare, they gave the grasshopper a little food to help him survive. But the grasshopper learned a valuable lesson that day. There is a time for play and a time for work. Preparing for the future is as important as enjoying the present. It's all about balance. From that winter on, the grasshopper promised himself to work hard when it was time to do so and never waste another summer.
And that's all for this story. Thanks for your listening. Have a nice day.